doesn't go to the Dollar Tree? We all do. All right, now a lot of times when you're organizing a space, the first thing you think about is going to the Dollar Tree to get some bins. Okay, now that's what I did. When I first heard about the Dollar Tree, I went and I got a bunch of bins. These, and I think it stacks, but it doesn't really work too well. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, but I got these baskets, but I didn't get a whole lot of baskets like this because A, it's not something I want to use in my dressing room, okay? It's more of a crafty type bin. So I would use something like this in my craft room where I could put ribbons inside, and maybe have the ribbons, you know, come up through these holes so I could easily access it. Okay, so I'm going to show you some items that I got from the Goodwill store and Michael's, and also some gifts that you can easily recycle. Okay, let's start with these. Okay, now all these containers are filled. Okay, I have, and I'm going to have to oh wow, there's even a smaller box in here. And you know what I have in this box? Batteries, okay? I've got AAA and AA batteries in here, and I've got other batteries in here. So when you find containers, okay, when you find containers, think outside the box. There's so many uses for containers of so many different sizes. So this is something I had in my room. Right now, like I said, I'm going to be really fine-tuning things and organizing it in a better way. So, and I have a lot of eyeglass couches, cases. This is an eyeglass case that I made many years ago. And so I just have that kind of stuff in here. But what I want to do is put all of my sunglasses, eyeglasses, cases in one place. So my purpose for showing you these containers is so that you will look out for these type things and then see that there's so many uses for it. So this is filled with sunglasses in here. Okay. All of these boxes were nestled in one box, and I paid about $5 for it. Now this has more business stuff in here. Okay, a lot of miscellaneous stuff. A lot of these things, just tape, rolls of tape, all kinds of stuff. So when it comes time for me to go into my office and start organizing there, this is something that I'm going to have to use and find a new home for. This box that I got from Michael's, and this was just the prettiest thing. It's, you know, like a corrugated board, sort of. And this could be more decorative. So for those of you who have a lot of space in your room and you want to put certain things on display, a pretty box like this would be perfect. Okay, so this is something I could use for that. And then this is another box I got from Michael's. It says, be your own kind of beautiful. And again, just space. And then this I have not opened. This is a gift, a Mother's Day gift that my daughter gave me. She gave me this one. And it's filled with, it's got paper in here because I took the gift out. Okay, so I'm going to recycle this container and use it for something special. And this is another one. I didn't open it yet. but I'll open it another time. Okay, so these items are recyclable. And there is another one. The bins that I showed you, that I use above on that whiteboard above my wardrobe is these. And they hold a lot of stuff. Now there's a cubicle, an 8-cube cubicle. I have to really write these down. There's an 8-cube cubicle that comes with this. And so the box easily collapses like this, and it's durable. It opens and you see the bottom, okay? And then the inside is over to one side. You just press it down. And so it's a very, very sturdy box. I have 2, 4, 6 over here right now on top of my wardrobe, and I have 2 extra ones. So these I'm going to find use for. Now these I bought to go with my wardrobe closet, and I got them from, it's a set that I got from Amazon. I'm sure they probably still have it. So I wanted to go with a pink theme, and I still want to go with the pink theme. So I'm going to be looking around for some pink items, because I think that it would really make my dressing room nice and ladylike. So this particular set comes with 3 of the boxes in this size, and also this size. This is the larger one. Okay. And this is the insert for that. And it's pretty sturdy. You know, I've used it for a while. Okay, so I have also 3 in this size. Is it 3 or is it 4? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, so it's 3 sets in this size as well. And I'll leave the link to this particular set. So the next set I got from Target. Now these were on sale. I still have tags, even though I've used these, and I've been, you know, recycling them, using them for different things, but I have used it in my bedroom. So these were regularly $14.99, and it was marked down to $4.49. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 in this size. Now I'm going to show you in my closet how this is going to work. This is actually what I'm going to be using in my closet. Okay, so I don't have to go out and buy anything. So like I said, shop your home. You may be using items in one area that giving it a refresh would be nice if you use it in a different area, if it works, but it's all up to you. See what works for you. These are the smaller ones that I can put odds and ends in. So what I have in here now, and I have a lot of these, I bought these from Target, okay, and it comes in a set. I think it's a set of maybe 4. It's a little on the pricey side, but it works, okay. It comes with the paper tabs that you can that you can label. So I did use my label machine for this, and it says dressy blouses. So I had, just to show you how I was thinking at the time, I had one that said makeup products, another that said swimsuits and leotards, and another that said facial products, and I have a bunch of these. They're somewhere, and I will find it. So let me show you how it clips on, so you can see how well this system works. Okay, so these boxes need a little refreshing. All right, me take this one, let's say makeup products, okay? I would put it not here, but here. It just clips right on, okay? It just clips right on. And so now you have labels. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm going to use it. So I just have 2 of these small ones, and then these are the medium, and then the large, I already am using it in my wardrobe area. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you the closet where it's going to go, because once I clean the closet out, these will be the bins that I put on the top, okay? Okay, so this is how they fit. And I believe I estimated that I could fit 5 up there, and there is exactly 5 nestled, and it looks really good. And I could reach it, okay? I can reach it. So that's how that's going to fit. So while I'm over here, let me just explain that in this system, you can reorganize it. So if this were your closet, if this were a space that you wanted to use for something, okay, you have the freedom to remove this rod, okay? You have the freedom to do that. And then you could use this entire space to maybe have it as a shelving to stock clothing. You can pile clothing here. I've seen people on YouTube videos who have used that space to put jeans, because that's something that they wear a lot of. But it's up to you. So you could do that. You could do the same thing over here and remove the hangers, okay? But I'm going to show you why I have these hangers here and what I'm doing, because, you know, this doesn't look very attractive, but I'm going to let you know what I'm going to do to make it look more stylish.